Ano, Katavin. Sabe computer.
Immobilizer. So you need to put ignition off, then long press 5 to 3 seconds, then put ignition on. Using diagnostic machine, you need to know the main problem. When you are using Maxcom Autel MK808, patience pay bro. Then read code. So ID disconnected immo, then exhaust EGR volume control valve circuit. So we are dealing with this one, ID disconnect immo ECU. Turn ignition switch to on and then press yes. Ignition is on, then press yes. After replacing operation, when perform key registration, install remote control engine starter. After replacing operation, then replace ECM used part, replace BCM, replace steering lock unit, replace ECM used part. Okay, so current state of the power switch is on. The first step, ignition switch on and power switch lock. Then hazard switch on for preventing bond from entering into communication sleep mode. Then P neutral parking, battery voltage more than 12, and then steering not fully locked. So the first thing, steering is not locked. Hazard is on. Then press power. Then on lock position. Current standard power switch off. Is off. Then next. This procedure erases all registration keys. Therefore, all of the customer keys should be obtained before starting the procedure. Do you want to continue? Yes. Press push button ignition switch 2 seconds and more, and turn ignition switch to on position. 1, 2. On position. Then press push button ignition switch to on, switch off. Turn the ignition to on, then switch off. Next. Press push button ignition switch on, check that indicator on push button ignition switch blinks. True, it's blinking. Then contact the back side of registration intelligent to push button ignition for 5 seconds. Yes, this is the key. Then push the key 5 seconds. One, two, on. Then you have done. After doing that, go for the last step. After that, you lock, unlock, lock, unlock. Then start on. You are done.